गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે જીઓમેટ્રિક પ્રોગ્રેશન એના ફર્સ્ટ ટુ ટાઈપ that is type 1 અને type 2 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલા હતા. નાઉ type 3 on the basis of two terms find value of first term and common ratio. ઓકે, સૌથી પહેલા તો આ ટાઈપમાં જ્યારે સમ આપેલો હોય ત્યારે એક્ઝામ્પલ કઈ રીતે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરશી, હાઉ ટુ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ એક્ઝામ્પલ. in this type of example two terms of GP are given. Put n in Tn equation. What is Tn in GP? Tn is equal to a r raised to n minus 1. એ આપણે મૂકશે એટલે બે ઇક્વેશન મળશે. ટુ ઇક્વેશન will get divide, this is most important, divide large equation by small equation and get value of r. Put value of r in equation number 1 or 2 and get value of a. ઓકે, સૌથી પહેલા તો બે tn આપેલા છે. tn ના ઇક્વેશનમાં આપણે n ની વેલ્યુ પુટ કરશી એટલે બે ઇક્વેશન મળશે. બે ઇક્વેશનમાં મોટા ઇક્વેશનને નાના ઇક્વેશન વડે ડિવાઈડ કરશી એટલે આપણે r મળી જશે. r ની વેલ્યુ કોઈ પણ એક ઇક્વેશનમાં પુટ કરશી એટલે આપણે a મળી જશે. નાઉ ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ, the third term of GP is 3. Third term, that is T3, is equal to 3 and its seventh term, that is T7, is equal to 243. Find a and r. a અને r આપણે find કરવાના. What is Tn in GP? Tn is equal to a r raised to n minus 1. T3 a r raised to 3 minus 1. T3 is equal to 3 a r raised to 2. એને આપણે કહીશું ઇક્વેશન નંબર 1. સેમ વે, what is T7? T7 is equal to a r raised to 7 minus 1. T7 is given 243, that is a r raised to 6. This is our equation number 2. Now this is larger equation, this is smaller equation. Large equation, that is 2, equation number 2 divided by equation number 1. એટલે કે ઇક્વેશન 2 ને આપણે ઇક્વેશન 1 વડે ડિવાઈડ કરશું. 243 is equal to a r raised to 6 divided by 3 a r raised to 2. 243 divided by 3, 243 divided by 3, that is 81. a cancel, r raised to 6 minus r raised to 2, that is 6 minus 2. 81 is equal to r raised to 4. Now fourth root of 81, that is 81, and square root, pachu and square root, that is 3. 3 raised to 4 is equal to r raised to 4. So r is equal to 3. r is equal to 3. Okay. Put r is equal to 3 in equation number 1. That is 3 a r raised to 2. 3 no square. a 3 no square 9. 3 divided by 9 is equal to a. So a is equal to 1 by 3. So first term is equal to 1 by 3 and common ratio, that is 3. Now next example number 2. The second term of GP is 6. Second term, that is T2, is equal to 6 and fifth term T5 is equal to 81 divided by 4. Find first term, that is a. Okay, Tn is equal to a r raised to n minus 1. T2 is equal to a r raised to 2 minus 1. T2 is equal to 6 a r. This is equation number 1. Next, T 5. T5 is equal to A r raised to 5 minus 1. T5 81 by 4 is equal to A r raised to 4. This is equation number 2. This equation is greater than equation number 1. So equation 2 divided by equation number 1. 81 by 4 is equal to A r divided by 6 A r raised to 4. 6 A r raised to 4. A cancel. R cube is equal to 81 divided by 4 all divided by 6. So 81 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to R cube. So 81 divided by 24 is equal to R cube. Okay. 81 divided by 3, that is 27. 24 divided by 3, that is 8, is equal to R cube. So what is cube of 3? 3 cube 27, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. What is cube of 2? That is 8, is equal to R cube. So R is equal to 3 by 2. We have to find out A. Put R is equal to 3 by 2 in equation number 1. 6 is equal to AR. 6 is equal to A 3 by 2. 6 multiplied by 2 divided by 3 is equal to A. So A is equal to 4. This is your answer. Next, example number 3. The third term of GP is 3 and sixth term is 81. T3 is equal to 3 and T6 is equal to 81. Find sum of its sixth term. Okay, S6 આપણે find કરવાનું. Tn is equal to A r raised to n minus 1. T3 is equal to A r raised to 3 minus 1. 3 is equal to A r no square. Equation number 1. T6 A r raised to 6 minus 1. 81 is equal to A r raised to 5. This is equation number 2. Now bigger equation, that is equation 2 divided by equation 1. 81 A r raised to 5 divided by 3 A r square. A cancel. 81 divided by 3, that is 27. R raised to 5 minus 2, that is R cube. So R is equal to 27 is equal to 3 cube R cube. So R is equal to 3. Put R is equal to 3 in equation number 1. 3 AR square. 3 A 3 no square. 9. 3 divided by 9 is equal to A. A is equal to 1 by 3. A is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now we have to find out S6. S6. So Sn is equal to A r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. What is A? 1 by 3. What is R? 3. S6. 3 no? 3 raised to 6 divided by 3 minus 1. 1 by 3 multiplied by 6 raised to 3, that is 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is 722. 729 minus 1 divided by 2. 1 by 3 multiplied by 728 divided by 2. 728 by 2. 728 by 2, that is 364 divided by 3. This is S6. This is your answer. Next, example number 4. If the third term of GP is square of its first term, એટલે કે રિલેશન આપણે આપેલું છે, third term એટલે કે T3, first term એટલે કે A, third term of GP is square of is first term. બેને ઇક્વલ કરવું હોય તો આપણે first term નો સ્ક્વેર કરશું. एंड फिफ्थ टर्म एटले के T5 इज इक्वल टू 64. फाइंड फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरन्स एटले के A एंड R वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. Tn is equal to A R raised to n minus 1. T3 is equal to A R raised to 3 minus 1. T3 is equal to AR square. T5 is equal to A R raised to 5 minus 1. T5 is equal to 64 A R raised to 4. Okay, now first of all relation A square is equal to T3. First relation A square is equal to T3. So A square is equal to T3 AR square. This square, this A is cancelled, so A is equal to R square. Now 64 is equal to A. What is A? R square. Put A is equal to R square. R square multiplied by R raised to 4. Multiplication, power become addition, R raised to 6. What is 64? 2 multiplied by 2, 2 raised to 6 is equal to 64. So R is equal to 2. This is 2. Okay, R is equal to 2. Now common difference, put R is equal to 2, 2 no square, that is 4. A is equal to 4. Next, example number 5. If the sixth term of GP is 8 times greater than 2 is third term, એટલે કે T6 અને T3 નું રિલેશન આપેલું છે. T6 છે એ T3 કરતાં કેટલી ગ્રેટર છે? 8 times. જો બેને ઇક્વલ કરવા હોય તો T3 ને આપણે 8 વડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવા પડે. તો એન્ડ ધ સમ ઓફ ઇટ્સ ફર્સ્ટ ટુ ટર્મ એટલે કે T1 પ્લસ T2 ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 24. ફાઇન્ડ GP એટલે કે આપણે પ્રોગ્રેશન ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની છે. હિયર one relation is given, T6 is equal to T3 multiplied by 8. Second relation, T1 plus T2 is equal to 24. What is Tn? A raised to R minus 1. A raised to R n minus 1. What is T1? A raised to R 1 minus 1, that is A. What is T2? A raised to R 2 minus 1, that is AR. What is T3? A R raised to 3 minus 1, AR square. What is T6? A R raised to 6 minus 1, AR raised to 5. Okay, relation ની અંદર વેલ્યુ પુટ કરશી. T6 is equal to T3 multiplied by 8. What is T6? A R raised to 5. What is T3? AR square multiplied by 8. A cancel, R raised to 5 divided by R square is equal to 8. R cube is equal to 8. So R is equal to 2. R is equal to 3. 2 no cube 8. Now put R is equal to 2 in T1 plus T2 is equal to 24. Okay. A plus AR is equal to 24. A plus 2A is equal to 24. 3A is equal to 24. So A is equal to 8. First term is 8, common difference is 2. Last of this type, the fourth term of GP is 4 and product of second and fourth term is 1. Fourth term એટલે કે T4 is equal to 4, product of second and fourth term, that is T2 multiplied by T4 is equal to 1. Find its sixth term. T6 આપણે find કરવાના છે. Tn is equal to A R raised to n minus 1. T4 is equal to A R raised to 4 minus 1. 4 is equal to A R cube. T2 A R raised to 2 minus 1. T2 is equal to A R. Same way T4 આપણી પાસે છે. ઓકે, T4 multiplied by T2 is equal to 1. What is T4? T4 is equal to 4. 4 is equal to, what is T2? AR is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 by 4R. A is equal to 1 by 4R. 4 is equal to AR cube, equation number 1. 4 is equal to, what is A? 1 by 4R multiplied by R cube. 4 is equal to, what is A? 4R. This is R cube, so R square divided by 4. 4 multiplied by 4, that is R square. So R is equal to 2. Put R is equal to 2. A is equal to 1 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 2, 1 by 8. A is equal to 1 by 8, R is equal to 2. We have to find out its sixth term, T6. Tn AR raised to n minus 1, 1 by 8, 1 R is equal to 2 raised to 6 minus 1. 1 by 8, that is 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2 4 2 8 3, 2 નો ક્યુબ, અહીંયા આવશે 2 નો 5. So ક્યુબ 5 એટલે સ્ક્વેર વધશે, 2 નો સ્ક્વેર, that is 4. This is your answer. Here our type 3 is completed. In next session we will start our next type, that is type 4.